Today our lesson is time. Look at the ball. There's a clock face. There are 12 numbers on the clock face as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In some clocks we can see a long hand. We introduce it as the second hand. Then another hand, it is the minute hand. Shorter one we introduce as the hour hand. Okay, the longest one is as the second hand. Next, minute hand, and the shorter one is hour hand. Okay. Then the standard units we use to measure the time is minutes and hours. Then we'll see we measure from one number to other number. In between two numbers we measure as 5 minutes. Here from 12 to 1, 5 minutes. When the minute hand rotate from 12 to 1, that pass 5 minutes. When it pointed towards 2, we measure as 10 minutes. Then when it pointed towards 3, it is as 15 minutes. 4, that is 20 minutes. 5, 25 minutes. 6, 30 minutes. Here 35 minutes. Pointed towards 8, that is 40 minutes. Here 45 minutes. In between we measure as 5 minutes. Then 45 plus 5, that is 50 minutes. 55 minutes. And when the minute hand comes towards 12, it completes 60 minutes. That means this is the relation between minutes and hours. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Okay. Then if we discuss about the second hand. When second hand rotate once, that means 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. That means when the second hand rotates once, minute hand makes 1 minute. When the minute hand rotates once, hour hand makes 1 hour. That means from one number to other number. Okay. Then we told 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Then 2 hours. If we discuss about 2 hours. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Yes, 1 hour 60 minutes. That means in 2 hours there are 120 minutes. Okay. Then 1.5 hours. How many minutes are there in 1.5 hours? That means 1 hour means 60 minutes plus half an hour. That means half of 60. That means 30 minutes altogether. That is 90 minutes. 1.5 hours equals to 90 minutes. Then 1.25 hours. That means 1 hour means 60 minutes plus quarter minutes means half of this. That means 15 minutes. Total is 75 minutes. Okay. Then we'll see here. Now we'll think this is the hour hand. It pointed towards 3. And this is the minute hand. It is here. Now we can tell the time is short time towards 3, then that means the time is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. The time is 3 o'clock. When the minute hand rotates once, the hour hand moves towards 4. That means the time is 4 o'clock. If the hour hand pointed towards 9, now what's the time? It is 9 o'clock. Okay. Then we'll see now 9 o'clock. We'll think the minute hand moves from 12 to, now it is pointed towards 1. Now the time is, yes, how many minutes passed? 5 minutes past 9. Now the time is 5 minutes past 9. Now we'll see the minute hand. It is pointed towards 4. Then how many minutes passed? 20 minutes past 9. Now we'll see. Now the minute hand is rotating. Now it is here. Now what is the time? Yes, 30 minutes past 9. 30 minutes means, yes, we told earlier 30 minutes. 30 minutes equals to half an hour. That means half an hour past 9. Okay. Then again we'll think, now the minute hand is here. Now what's the time? How many minutes passed? 40 minutes. We'll write up there. Okay, now the time is 40 minutes past 9. Now the hour hand is moving towards 10. The hour hand is in between 9 and 10. Now after 9, what will be the time after 9? Yes, will be 10. Then how many minutes to be 10? Here minute hand is pointed towards 8. Here the 5 minutes here. Now 10, 20, 25. Then 25 minutes to 10. Did you got it? Here now the time is 40 minutes past 9. Now already 9 passed. It is going to be 10. How many minutes to be 10? Yes, we are counting here 5 minutes. From here to here 10, 15, 20 minutes to 10. Right, now we'll see the minute hand pointed towards 9. Now, what's the time? How many minutes passed? 45 minutes past 9. Then, how many minutes will it be to be 10? Yes, here 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes to 10. Now we already know 15 minutes means, in another word, quarter. Quarter to 10. Quarter means quarter equals to 15 minutes. Okay. And when we are telling the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we use as AM. That means antimeridian. Before noon, we use AM. The time is 7 o'clock in the morning. We write it as 7 AM. Then after 12 noon till again 12 midnight, we use as PM. That's post meridian. Afternoon, we'll tell about 4 o'clock. Then we write as 4 PM. Okay. Now today we learn about 12-hour clock time. 12-hour clock time. We learn about the 12-hour clock time because we discuss about 12 numbers on this clock face. That is under part 1. Next lesson, under part 2, we are going to learn about 24-hour clock time. That is the standard time we use as digital time. You can subscribe my channel, then you can see the other lessons